Hey guys, simulate and trade here. There is not beating around the bush today. AMC just got pummeled down for most of the day. Interestingly enough, however, the dip had the exact opposite effect that hedge funds wanted. Looking at Fidelity data, it appears that AMC received almost 3 times the buy volume than it did selling, implying that this drop is nothing more than the desperate attempts by hedge funds to attack the stock. Furthermore, it indicates most people are aware of the situation and are taking advantage by buying more shares as the stock continues to be manipulated downward. This is an amazing development to see because it demonstrates the growing hive mind conscience of retail traders. The manipulative tactics are failing because they aren't scaring traders away, essentially guaranteeing the success of the stock in the long term. With that said, let's quickly recap today's performance. We started the day pretty bearish and maintained a downward trajectory until 2 p.m. AMC dropped from 9.77 to 9.24. It is interesting to see that hedge funds seem to be experiencing a harder time really beating the stock down, as I remember a couple months ago when this manipulation tactic was employed they always managed to beat the stock a couple dollars a day. Now on a really bad day the best they can do is around 50 cents, which gives me a ton of confidence that the wall of buyers jumping in is proving to be another challenge they will have to face. After 2 p.m., AMC managed to bounce back a bit, reaching a high of 9.50 before a slight dip at the closing hours of the day. On Monday, I expect the price of AMC to move up to 9.77 pre-market and start consolidating around these levels for most of the day. Monday and Tuesdays have proven to be the days hedge funds let AMC move up without manipulating it. I expect a rise in the stock value to a tentative $10 again, though that will be quite an achievement. I will be making an update video releasing on Sunday on where I think AMC will move next week, so stay tuned for that. I am releasing another video explaining how hedge funds are manipulating the prices of AMC and GME as well as why it's bound to end sooner than you think, so be sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter, link in the description. As such, thank you for staying with me if you made it this far. I will see you soon with a GameStop update video, so stay tuned.